put the other birdhouse on the tree for the birds.
That's good. Do these now. Let me see. Let me help you. Let me help you. You're going to be here all day like that. Here, hold this.
Here, hang on to that. It's not commodity.
Oh, okay. I'll let you do this side, okay? You know you had it upside down. So when I play this on TV, it's going to be upside down for a little while. Good job. All right, what we need next? Number 3. Screws. They go on the bottom. Which piece is the bottom? See, look. It says 1 bottom. How you know it's the bottom? How you know that's the bottom? What's different? How you know which one of these is the bottom? How you know which one the bottom? Because they only got 2 dots. See? See, it only got 2 dots? That's how you know which one the bottom. So find the one with 2 dots. You found it? Okay. And that's the one that goes on the bottom. That goes down here. Yep, just like that. Here, I got to screw it in. Here, you got to hold this. Daddy got to screw it. Hold this.
I'm going to try to screw the other one.
I'm going to start it first, and then you can do it.
Look, Mommy, Daddy's going to screw it. Ah, Daddy's big arm. You're starting it for me?
Yeah, I'm getting it started for you.
Then you're letting me do the rest?
Yeah, and I'm going to let you do the rest.
Because you're just doing a tiny bit so I can do the rest.
Yeah.
You're building? Yeah. Keep putting it goes on every now and then. I said it needs longer nails, but bigger head on it. I don't know where.
All right, here, you tighten them up. You gotta get them tight. Keep twisting it till it won't twist no more. You gotta push on it. Push. You gotta push and twist. Go ahead, I got it. You push the other way. Turn the other way. You gotta push hard though. Here, let me see. Let me see. We still using those. Here, hold this. Let me do it. You ain't strong enough. You looking? You ain't looking. You ain't paying attention.
I need nails.
Being nosy like your mother. See? Alright, what we gotta do next? Huh?
Next is 4. 4 means we gotta do the roof.
Gotta do the roof?
Yeah, putting 4 nails in the roof.
This screw suck. It won't even go all the way in. Alright, here, let's do the roof. Number 4.
Can I try? I want to do it.
Small roof and the big roof. How you know which one the small roof and which one the big roof?
That's the big roof.
There's a small one over here.
Like that.
Like that. And then put the big one.
Over there.
Yeah, they put these screws on. Big one like that. See? Then you'll have a house. We got to nail these in. So first, let's do this.
I want to do the little one.
Here, put the nails. Start them up. I'll hold this. Here, put it over there in front of you. Remember how we did the other ones? Well, you got to start them with the hammer. Hold it. All right, good job. All right, that's enough. Now do the next one.
You gotta go, honey. Mommy's got a babysit off.
The nails is crooked. Go ahead. All right. Here, wait, not yet. Now you gotta do this one. Put the nails in it. All right. Put your nail right there. There you go. Hold it straight. Let me see. Ow. Go ahead. Ow, my finger. You gotta watch what you're doing. Come on, you're not paying attention. See, you're looking at other people. You gotta pay attention to what you're doing. Come on, ain't finished. Keep hitting it. Harder. All right. And now Now we gotta put them on here. They got a picture? No. You gotta do those like this. Here, let me hold this. Let me get it started first. Because we gotta still walk around.
Carol really likes that. Sorry,
Excuse me, sir. You want to go to screwdrivers?
Jump into this.
Thank you very much.
Hold this one. At the bottom. Yeah, hold on. All the way to the bottom. Let's pay that.
Hey, man, you're not allowed to pay for that.
Hold on.
Do the rest. Beat them all in there. Beat them all in.
All you gotta do is hit the hammer as hard as you can.
There, you ain't finished. You got 4 more. Here, do that one. All right, here. I'll do these 2.
It's not going in. Wow. Anytime I start doing it.
on, you gotta get them in there.
So just let James start it for you and you can finish it.
Want me to do it?
Get the second one.
There we go. And you gotta put this. You gonna do it? All right. You got a birdhouse.
I gotta paint this one up.
Here, pick it up and show it to me. What you got there? I can't see you. You got birdhouse. And what else you gonna do with it?
I'm gonna paint it.
When?
I'm gonna paint it when I get home.
All right. Good job. What are you looking at? You're not looking over here. What are you looking at?